In the digital age, visibility is key. With the internet becoming an integral part of our daily lives, businesses must ensure they stand out in the crowded online marketplace. The competition is fierce, and only those who adapt and evolve will thrive. Businesses need to be found online to succeed. It's not just about having a website, it's about making sure that website is seen by the right audience. This is where search engine optimization, or SEO, comes into play. SEO is the art and science of enhancing your online presence to attract more visitors. Search engine optimization, or SEO, is more critical than ever in 2024. As search engines like Google continue to evolve, so do the strategies needed to rank high in search results. Staying updated with the latest SEO trends and techniques is essential for any business looking to maintain a competitive edge. This essay will explore the importance of SEO and how our SEO training course can help you master organic traffic. Our course is designed to provide you with the knowledge and skills needed to navigate the complexities of SEO. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced marketer, there's always something new to learn. This comprehensive course will guide you through the ever-evolving world of SEO, from understanding the basics of keyword research to mastering advanced techniques like link building and content optimization. Our course covers it all. You'll gain insights into the latest tools and technologies that can help you stay ahead of the curve. You will learn the fundamentals and advanced strategies to boost your website's ranking. Our expert instructors will provide hands-on training, real-world examples, and actionable tips that you can implement immediately. By the end of the course, you'll have a solid understanding of how to drive organic traffic to your site and improve your search engine rankings. Get ready to unlock the power of SEO and drive sustainable growth for your business. With the right strategies and tools, you can transform your online presence and achieve long-term success. Join us and take the first step towards becoming an SEO expert. Your journey to mastering SEO starts here. SEO is the cornerstone of digital marketing. It's about making your website visible to search engines like Google. When people search for products or services you offer, you want to be at the top of the results page. SEO drives organic traffic, which is highly targeted and converts better. Unlike paid advertising, organic traffic continues to flow even after you stop investing. SEO is an investment that yields long-term returns. This SEO training course is designed to equip you with the knowledge and skills to succeed. Whether you're a beginner just starting out or an experienced marketer looking to refine your skills, this course has something for everyone. Our comprehensive curriculum is tailored to meet the needs of all skill levels. We cover a wide range of topics, from the basics to advanced strategies. You'll start with the fundamentals, understanding what SEO is and why it's crucial for online success. As you progress, you'll dive deeper into more complex concepts and techniques. You'll learn about keyword research, on-page optimization, and link building. Keyword research is the foundation of any successful SEO campaign and will teach you how to find the best keywords for your niche. On-page optimization will help you make your content more search engine friendly, and link building will boost your site's authority. The course also delves into technical SEO, local SEO, and the use of SEO tools. Technical SEO ensures that your website is easily crawlable and indexable by search engines. Local SEO is essential for businesses that operate in specific geographic areas, helping you attract local customers, and the use of SEO tools. We'll introduce you to a variety of tools that can help you analyze your website's performance, track your rankings, and identify areas for improvement. These tools are invaluable for any SEO professional. We'll provide you with practical tips and real-world examples to solidify your understanding. Our case studies will show you how successful SEO strategies are implemented in the real world, giving you a clear picture of what works and what doesn't. By the end of this course, you'll be well-versed in all aspects of SEO. You'll have the confidence and skills to implement effective SEO strategies, drive more traffic to your website, and achieve your digital marketing goals. Plus, you'll receive a certificate of completion to showcase your new expertise. Understanding the fundamentals of SEO is crucial. We'll start by explaining how search engines work and what factors influence rankings. You'll learn about keywords, content relevance, and website structure. We'll also cover the importance of user experience and how it impacts SEO. A solid understanding of these fundamentals will lay the groundwork for your SEO success. This knowledge will help you make informed decisions throughout your SEO journey. Section 5, On-Page Optimization, Fine-Tuning Your Website. On-page optimization is all about making your website search engine friendly. This involves optimizing your website's content, HTML tags, and internal linking structure. We'll show you how to conduct keyword research. You'll learn how to optimize your content for both search engines and users. We'll also cover the importance of website speed, mobile friendliness, and user experience. These factors are crucial for ranking high in search results. Section 6. Off-page optimization, building authority and trust. Off-page optimization focuses on building your website's authority and reputation. This primarily involves acquiring backlinks from other reputable websites. We'll teach you various link-building strategies. You'll learn how to earn backlinks through content marketing, guest blogging, and social media promotion. We'll emphasize the importance of quality over quantity when it comes to backlinks. High-quality backlinks can significantly boost your website's authority. Section 7. Technical SEO, ensuring a crawlable and user-friendly website. Technical SEO ensures that search engines can easily crawl and index your website. This includes optimizing your website's architecture, sitemaps, and robots.txt file. We'll guide you through the technical aspects. You'll learn how to improve your website's loading speed and mobile friendliness. We'll also cover the importance of structured data and schema markup. Technical SEO is crucial for improving your website's visibility. Section 8. Local SEO, dominating your local search results. For businesses with a physical location, local SEO is paramount. We'll teach you how to optimize your Google, My Business profile, and leverage local citations. You'll learn how to target local keywords effectively. We'll also discuss the importance of online reviews and how to manage your online reputation. Local SEO can help you attract more customers to your physical store or office. Section 9. SEO tools and analytics, measuring success and identifying opportunities. SEO tools and analytics provide valuable insights into your website's performance. We'll introduce you to essential SEO tools for keyword research, competitor analysis, and website audits. You'll learn how to track your keyword rankings, monitor your backlink profile, and analyze your website traffic. These tools will help you measure the effectiveness of your SEO efforts. Section 10. Staying ahead of the curve. SEO trends and best practices. SEO is constantly evolving, and staying updated with the latest trends is crucial for maintaining a competitive edge in the digital landscape. In this section, we'll discuss the latest SEO trends and best practices to ensure your strategies remain effective and relevant. As search engines update their algorithms, it's essential to adapt and refine your approach. One of the key trends is voice search optimization. With the increasing use of voice assistants like Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant, optimizing for voice search is becoming more important. We'll explore techniques to make your content more voice search friendly. Another significant trend is mobile-first indexing. As more users access the internet via mobile devices, search engines prioritize mobile-friendly websites. Ensuring your site is optimized for mobile can significantly impact your rankings. Additionally, the rise of artificial intelligence and machine learning is transforming SEO. AI can analyze vast amounts of data to identify patterns and trends, helping you make more informed decisions. We'll also cover the importance of user experience, content quality, and ethical SEO practices. A positive user experience can lead to higher engagement and lower bounce rates, which are crucial ranking factors. High-quality content that provides value to users is essential for building authority and trust. Ethical SEO practices, such as avoiding black hat techniques, ensure long-term success and prevent penalties from search engines. By staying informed about the latest trends, you can adapt your strategies and stay ahead of the competition. Regularly reviewing and updating your SEO tactics will help you maintain and improve your search engine rankings, driving more organic traffic to your site. Embrace these trends and best practices to ensure your SEO efforts are effective and sustainable in the ever-changing digital landscape. Section 11. Take action. Join the SEO Revolution. This SEO training course provides you with the knowledge and tools to master SEO. Now it's time to take action. Implement the strategies you've learned and watch your website climb the search engine rankings. Subscribe to our newsletter for ongoing updates, insights, and exclusive tips. Let's embark on this exciting journey together and unlock the true potential of SEO for your business.